Let's open a box. You want to? Me too. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor. Questions, comments, concerns. I'm really liking my new little razor blade here. Things go really easy. Whoa, that just went front and center. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, so I just remembered I broke one of my rules. And my rule is when you buy a big lot of PEZ, don't be afraid to send them extra money for shipping and handling, especially packing supplies. And usually I tell them, hey, can you do me a favor and wrap them individually? As you can see, these are not wrapped individually. Let us hope this plastic that is almost 50 years old will stay together. Oh, it's just in a Ziploc bag. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, this is the one I'm the most worried about. Hey. Doesn't look too bad. I think that's a chip right up in through here. Yeah. Oh, it's not good. But these things are really fragile, these fins on the Fishman. Now, this is the Fishman because it's definitely not the Creature from the Black Lagoon. Creature from the Black Lagoon is a Universal Studios monster, and it will have a metal pin here. This is a plastic hinge. The Creature from the Black Lagoon is also going to have a different stem. This one here is a made in the USA. The IMC up here, it's really hard to see, but it's right. Yeah, it's right over in there. It's a number 9. But yes, this is a very fragile dispenser. Fishman made in USA. Austria has the Creature from the Black Lagoon. That one with the pearly green stem. That one's really cool. All right, let's check out some other things. All right, people ask about double half flowers. This particular dispenser does have these double half flowers. If you look right down here, those two little nubs underneath the word Yugoslavia, those are your half flowers. They believe that it was, they just retooled the mold and, melt marks, no. But they retooled this mold that they used before for the box patents with the 2 flowers on them. And this is the rarer version. See these little tabs that stick out? The Sheik is missing his band, but if he had his band, it would snap right on. Oh, yes. I have a policeman with a mustache? Wait a minute. We're going to have to talk about you guys later. Yeah, we'll set you over here. What else do we get? Oh, we got a doctor. Doctor is in the house! Oh, is it split? It looks split. No, it doesn't feel split. It isn't! It's just a line in the mold. All right. He does have a little melt mark right here. All right, what else do we get? Oh, that's a cool looking Mr. Ugly. Oh, look at that color. Very cool. Metal head spring. It's starting to rust. Is there candy in here? Ooh, yeah. That's candy. We'll have to clean that out later. The warm water should do the trick. We have here Yugoslavia double half flowers. Maharaja! Oh, what is next? Mickey Mouse, he's missing his nose, though. Metal head spring, though. Oh, we have a Mexican. Oh, Yugoslavia. Very cool. Very cool. And last but not least, look at this. There's an extra part. All right. That's a pretty good haul. Fragile. Fragile. Very cool, though. So until next time.